Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Thursday's Daily Financial Digest. And here's what's making the headlines in the markets today.
The Bitcoin-dollar pair rose 0.4% in the last session. The stochastic indicator's negative signal is in line with the overall technical analysis. The euro dropped 0.8% against the dollar in the last session. The ultimate oscillator indicates an oversold market. The last session saw the pound fall 0.9% against the dollar. The ROC is giving a negative signal. The Aussie-dollar pair dropped 0.9% in the last session. The stochastic indicator is giving a positive signal.
And now let's hear what our chief analyst picked up for us today.
U.S. startup Lucid Group Inc. said it will start delivering luxury electric sedans with a Tesla-beating driving range in late October, posing a major challenge to the market leader. More than 1 million British workers face an uncertain future this week as the UK becomes the world's first big economy to wind down its COVID-19 job support scheme. On Tuesday, during the Code Conference in California, Tesla CEO Elon Musk called cryptocurrencies indestructible and said the U.S. government should not regulate the booming industry.
Those were today's major economic events. And now, moving on to world financial headlines.
Japan's unemployment rate will be released at 23:30 GMT. The UK's gross domestic product at 0600 GMT. Japan's jobs applicants ratio at 23:30 GMT. Germany's harmonized index of consumer prices will be released at 1200 GMT. The US gross domestic product price index at 1230 GMT. The UK's current account at 0600 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Thursday's market outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.